Oh, oh, she is just falling apart even more. Hello everyone, welcome to Dumb Bench Energy with your local AJK boy. Today is a special day because I'm here in the kitchen, because I'm never in the kitchen, and we are making a thing. Nobody knows that I know how to bake. The few people who do don't watch my videos. What we are making today is a pie, but not just any kind of pie. We are making a squash pie because all the supermarkets here ran out of pumpkin puree. I don't know why. We tried for weeks to find pumpkin puree. There was none. It was either sold out or pulled out, whatever. They didn't want us to have it. So we are making do. I also thank the internet for providing me a recipe to use. I could not live without it. And if you notice, the person behind me, that's my mom. She's here for some reason. She's made up her mind and she will be here until I finish. So if I learned anything from Queer Eye, which I have watched at least 3 seasons of, is that you should always have a hand towel on your shoulder when you're in the kitchen. Very handy. And you're supposed to wash your hands, so I'm just gonna do that before we run out of water. Now the first ingredient to a squash pie is the squash. So I have it right here. It is made. It is very watery, so I'm gonna have to drain that, then drain this into the sink. This could go very badly. I was supposed to do this part on Sunday. It was all planned out. Things happened. It is now Tuesday. This is what's happening. I don't know how much is enough. This is what's happening. Oh, this is a lot. This is probably a lot. Let's put some more. Is this pureed enough? This is our puree. Is this enough? I might need more. I don't have my measuring cups. So it says here, I'm using an old recipe that we use for apple pie. It's fine, it's crust. So first, we gotta start with the sugar. I'm kidding. Waitress the musical is fake news. You don't start with the sugar, you start with the flour. 3.5 cups of flour. Oh my lord. I bought. Oh, that might be too big. I did it. I'm committed. One. There you go. This is my secret ingredient. It's ham spread. I'm just kidding. It's pink salt. We don't do ham spread here. Why do we even have pink salt? That's the only salt I can find. We're supposed to have rock salt somewhere here. I could not find it. Yep. Okay. Oh! That would have been a disaster. Just throw it on. Okay, did it, we did it. So this could possibly be anyone's favorite part. It's time to cream the butter together with the flour. Is that how you cream? I don't know baking. I mean, I do know baking, I just don't know words. I do this with a mixer, but we don't have one right now. Time to use our hands. I cannot find the thing I'm looking for, so we're using another knife. Kids, do not try this, period. I'm very scared. I did not find the thing I was looking for, but good news, I did find a can opener. I just need to pierce a couple of holes into this can, and then we'll be on our merry way. How do I do this? Oh, she opens it with this. Oh, I do not like this at all. One. We have to get our hands dirty. Oh, she is cold. Okay, we're back. I did not find what I was looking for. We settled for cling wrap, which I was trying to avoid because it is unpredictable. Alright then, here goes. Oh, this can go south real quick. together, kind of. She's trying. Same. I don't like that. I kind of messed up. Ha, I'm smart. It works. 1, 2. Okay. 3. So we put these 3 babies into the fridge. They can sleep there the entire day tomorrow. I wish I could do that. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. It is Wednesday, my dudes. Now that it's been an entire day of just those things chilling, I can only juggle 2 things at a time. It's time to roll them out and put them in our pie tins. Now I can't find the mat that we use to like properly roll out pie dough, so we're just gonna have to improvise. I did not want to use cling wrap because it is very wasteful and it's just not the way to go. Oh, we are off to a great start. So what we're going to do is we're gonna take our flour and we're gonna just sprinkle some, why is it? Whatever. We're gonna sprinkle some over the top of our work area. Just like that. Doesn't have to be pretty. So in the end, we are just doing our best. Okay, yeah, this is a lot. So we have our rolling pin and we're gonna take our dough out from its casing and we're just gonna attempt to roll it. She's very hard. Flatten her out. Oh, she is crumbling. What did I do wrong? Oh my god, why is she crumbling? Okay, she's gonna fit. But she's gonna be struggling. Just like me. Why? Why? I'm gonna have to roll her back. We got this. My mom is a genius. And also because she went to baking school. Turns out I needed cold water. That's why she was falling apart. She wasn't cold enough. I'll see you all again later after I do the rest of the pans. It is 11:30 in the evening. And after so much work, this is the last crust out of 3. And yes, I crimped it. I think that's the word. Crimped it. It's not the prettiest, but you can tell it's very handmade. Very rustic. Is rustic the right word for this? Anyway, this goes in the fridge. Okay, we made more puree because I felt like it was not enough. Now I feel like we have too much. So I guess we'll just have to measure it out and see where this takes us. That's not that. You go in there. Oop, okay. Yep. Yep, toss it in. 1, 2. And then we just combine it. We're doing great. 1:30 in the morning. Let's do this. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and almost there. Time check, it is now 2 in the morning. Welcome to this part of the kitchen. This is the dining room. Hello. So we have the crust here and it's important that we pierce the bottom of the crust because we need a vent. We don't want our pies exploding in the oven, so we need all this hot air to find its way out and keep our pie how it is. After that's done, we can now transfer our filling into the crust. It is now in a different bowl. I passed this through a sieve because I've noticed all the lumps due to my carelessness. You know what? I don't like this idea. Let's use a ladle. Carefully transfer filling into your crust. Look at that! She is looking like a pie. Now I feel like I've made too much filling. Oh my god, all the regrets are just coming. They're coming. They're coming. And here we have, god, it is 3 in the morning. We have a finished squash pie. Like this video if you think I should do better, get some actual sleep. It is 3 in the morning. Like this video if you want to see more of me making food, probably in less time than this entire thing has taken. Leave a comment down below on what I should do with my life next, and subscribe for more of me. I do proper videos sometimes. I upload sometimes also. Alright? This one is pretty solid to me, but I'm gonna let it cool anyway, just to be sure, and I'll throw it in the fridge, and then I'll take it to work.